Are your AirPods randomly pausing music videos or calls even when you're not touching them? Yeah, it's super frustrating, but luckily it's usually easy to fix. This issue happens due to malfunctioning automatic ear detection, Bluetooth interference, or outdated firmware. In this video, I'll show you how to get these issues fixed in some quick steps. Let's jump right in. Solution 1. Turn off automatic ear detection. Sometimes your AirPods think you've taken them out even when they're still in your ears. To fix this, go to Settings on your iPhone, tap Bluetooth, and tap the eye icon next to your AirPods. Scroll down a bit and toggle off automatic ear detection. Now, they will pause when the sensors get confused. Solution 2. Disconnect all other connected devices. Now, if your AirPods are connected to other devices, then it can cause Bluetooth interference. So, make sure to disconnect all connected devices, go to the connected phone settings, tap Bluetooth, then tap the eye icon next to your AirPods. In the bottom, you might find Forget this device option. Just tap on it and confirm your choice. Repeat this process for all the other connected devices and check your issue again. Solution 3. Restart your phone. A simple restart can fix many glitches. To restart, hold down the power and both of the volume buttons until the slider appears. Drag the slider to power off your iPhone. Now wait a few seconds and turn it back on. Then try to check your issue again. Solution 4. Forget and reconnect the AirPods. On the device you are facing trouble with, go to the connected phone settings, tap Bluetooth, and then tap the eye icon next to your AirPods. In the bottom, you will find Forget this device option. Just tap on it and confirm your choice. After this, get both your AirPods in the charging case, and follow the pairing process to connect your AirPods back. After they're reconnected, your problem should be fixed. And guys, that's how you can fix it if your AirPods are pausing on their own. I hope this video helps you out. Be sure to give this video a like and don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you want more tips on your AirPods. Thanks a lot for watching.